So first read the question number 5. What is the question? Let us write and let us calculate and write the values of a and b if x square minus 4 is a factor of the polynomial this. So before this we have been concerned with whether gx is a factor of fx, but in this question x square minus 4 is a factor which is given, and we know that x square is a factor of x square minus 4 is a factor of this polynomial, but in this question we have to find a and b. So let's see how it is solved. So first we write let fx equal to given polynomial, the polynomial which is given to us we will write as fx. Now x square minus 4 is given, so we can write x square minus 2 square, as 2 square is going to be 4, and in this place if we apply the formula of a square minus b square, then it will be a plus b, a minus b. So x square minus 4 is factorized into two factors, which means if x square minus 4 is a factor of fx, then x plus 2 and x minus 2 are also factors of fx. So that is written here, x plus 2 and x minus 2 are factors of fx. So these both are factors of fx. So since x plus 2 is a factor, we get f of minus 2 equals to 0, because we know that if x plus a is a factor, then f of minus a is equal to 0, and if x minus a is a factor, then f a equals to 0. So if you have here plus, then it will be minus, and if you have minus, then you will have plus. So we have two conditions, f of minus 2 equals to 0 and f of 2 equals to 0, from which we will find a and b. So now we are taking the first condition, that is f of minus 2 equals to 0. So what is the rule of this? Since we have written minus 2 at the place of x, so we will write at every x the value that we have written here, that is minus 2. So we will write a minus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 minus 2 to the power cube minus 3 minus 2 to the power square plus 6 minus 2 and minus 4. That is what we have written here. Now if you simplify this, then minus to the power 4 will be plus, as the even power of minus is always plus. Now 2 to the power 4 means 16, and this a is written here. Again minus cube is minus, and this plus minus minus, it will be 8. 2 cube will be 8, and 2 into 16, and minus square is plus, plus minus minus, it will be 4, which if you multiply with 3 it will be 12, minus this will be 2b, and this is minus 4. Now by simplifying we have 16 minus 2b minus 32, as we have number 4 minus 2 minus 12 and 16. If we add all this, we get minus 32. If we take 2 as common from this equation, we will have 2, 8a minus b minus 16 equals to 0. So we can omit 2 here, because if we write 2 by 0, 0 by 2, then it will be 0 again. So it will be 8a minus b minus 16 equals to 0. One step is jumped here, and minus 16, if we come at right hand side, then it will be 16. So the first equation is 8a minus b equals to 16. That is your equation 1. So now we will take another condition, that is f of 2 equals to 0. So if we write f of 2 equals to 0, we will have this equation. Again by simplification we get 16a plus 2b equals to 0. If we take 2 as common, it will be 8a plus b equals to 0. So 8a plus b equals to 0 is the second equation. Writing the first equation, 8a minus b equals to 0. As you know, by a simultaneous equation you can solve these two equations. So plus b and minus b is cancelled. 8 is 16a, and 16 plus 0 16. 16 cancel, a equals to 1. Now from 2, or you can write putting the value of a in equation 1 or 2. So from 2 if you find b will be minus 8. So this is the final answer, a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 8. Question number 6 is similar to question number 5.